Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spudger. These tools will be essential for safely opening the laptop and removing the charging port. Start by powering off your HP 15DA0031NS and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver or spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you lift the panel away. With the back panel removed, locate the charging port. It is typically situated near the edge of the laptop. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the area to ensure a smooth replacement process. A can of compressed air can be very useful for this task. Next, disconnect the charging port from the motherboard. This usually involves gently lifting a connector or unscrewing it from its position. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation without any pressure. Once the old charging port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place by either snapping it back into position or using screws, depending on the model. Ensure that it is firmly connected to avoid any future issues. After the new port is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel in place. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test the new charging port. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 15DA031NS. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With your laptop now operational, take a moment to clean the internal components if necessary, as this can help prolong the life of your device. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your laptop in top condition. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope it has been helpful in your repair journey. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.